Hey guys, hello. This is Manish and you are watching Something New YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss answers for the 5 silly doubts which raise in our mind.
Like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, have you ever experienced this raising silly doubts in your mind? Like when you put leg on a banana peel, you slip and fall down. Where does the salt come from in the sea? And like 5 other questions, you get a scientific answer in this video. So question number 1, formation of curd. When you put a small amount of curd into a large amount of milk, the whole milk turns into the curd. This is because of the lactobacillus. This is the bacteria present in the small amount of curd. We all know that bacteria will reproduce rapidly than humans, and this lactobacillus takes few hours to reproduce into the whole milk. And after lactobacillus completes reproduction, the whole milk turns into curd. Now question number 2, slippery banana peel. So when you put your leg on the banana peel, you slip and fall down, right? You fall down, right? So how this happens? What's the reason for it? So when you put your leg on the banana peel, the smooth and slippery part which is present in the banana peel reduces the friction of your sole of shoe and the ground. So because of lack of friction, you slip and fall down. Question number 3, salty sea. Sea water and ocean water contain some salt, right? So where does this salt come from? I think this question rose in your mind at least one time, right? So primarily this salt comes from the rocks on the land. So let's know how. When the rainwater falls on the rocks produce ions, because rainwater is slightly acidic. That is why rocks produce ions. And the ions produced from the rocks are carried out from the streams and rivers. So now at last we all know that these streams and rivers join the seas and oceans. That is why the seas and oceans are salty. Now coming to the question number 4, why can plant only grow in the soil, not only on cement and others? So if you see here, cement and other items can't give all necessities needed for the plant. Only soil is perfect for the plant, right? So if you think about water stability, root holding, fertility and others, these all necessities are perfect for the plant. Cement and others can't give this all necessities needed for the plant, right? Only soil can give this all for the plant. So that is why plants can only grow in the soil. Coming to question number 5. Guys, have you ever thought why we need a pillow while we are sleeping? I think this question is some awkward and weird, but there is an interesting answer for it. So when you are sleeping, a pillow makes your head aligned to the neck and the spine. So this makes you healthy also. When your head is not aligned and it's bent to the spine, I think you always woke up in midnight and you may have sleep loss. That is why you have to have a pillow while you are sleeping, left or right side. Okay, these are the 5 silly doubts and scientific answers. And I hope you have enjoyed this video. And you have to click the grey color like button and it should be turned into the blue. Don't forget to subscribe something new to get to know something new.